Hello. Today I'm playing around with some new stuff. I want to do a mostly neutral face with a pop of red because I have Huda Booty holiday lip contour set. This was supposed to be a Vlogmas video and it didn't happen. We're putting it on my face right now. I already have most of a face base on. I just kind of want to pop a few things on here and there. I'm gonna start, since my face is mostly done, I have a little bit of mascara on. I've got some face base and highlight. We need some blush. So I'm going to throw on the Pixie by Petra blush. This is in the shade Beach Rose, and I'm just gonna go on a angled blushing contoury brush. Start by stamping that on the apples of my cheeks and taking that up as a contour right underneath my highlight. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna put one product and one product only on my lids. I have before me the Natasha Denona Duochrome Top Coat, and this is in the shade Terra Copper. Bask in the Beauty. Now these are really sheer, they're literally a top coat. They're not, you can build them up to be a bit pigmented, but it's basically just a sheer wash of sparkle, a little bit of a duochrome tint, and I'm literally just going to wash this all over the lid. I got these together. I don't know why, I just thought they would be a gorgeous combo. And I'm taking this all the way up to my brow bone. That is absolutely beautiful, oh my god. And that's all I'm doing for the eyes. Now let's break into this bad boy. So this is what you get inside the tin. There is a lip contour pencil, a liquid lip, and a lip strobe. Okay, so I'm gonna gloss off my lips. The contour and the liquid lip are both in the shade Heartbreaker. I'm going to go in with the liquid lip. They're so tiny. That's why I like Ipsy so much. It's just tiny versions of things. Wow, this is just such a gorgeous, like, classic red shade. I really wish I would have delved into this during the holidays like I was supposed to. Alrighty, let's delve into the lip strobe. This is in the shade Shameless. Oh. Wow. Wow. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god, I love this so much. I'm gonna put that there for now. Alrighty guys, this is the finished look. I am in love with the whole like deep, vampy, dolled up lips with like just kind of a wash of neutral makeup everywhere else. I feel like it's just awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick little one. I love playing around with new makeup with you guys, so leave a like on this video if you can, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am here 3 days a week. We will see you in the next one.
Wow.